Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to repair scratches on your vinyl floors. Now when you have a scratch on a vinyl floor, there's two ways to handle that. One way is to pull up the tile and replace the tile. The other way is to try to hide the scratch, and that's what we're going to hit on today. For this job, I'm going to be using two separate colors of gray paint because our tile's gray. You want to make sure that this is an epoxy paint, that way when you wash a floor, it's not going to come up. Also be using a small paintbrush and a paper towel. The reason I have two separate paints here is so I can get as close to the color as possible. If when I mix it, it's a little too dark, I can lighten it up with the lighter gray, or vice versa. If it's a little too light, I can darken it up with my dark gray paint. What we'll do is we'll get a separate spot here to go ahead and mix our paints. I like to set it on the floor right next to my tile. That way I can kind of gauge it back and forth to make sure my color is close enough. After you have it close enough, go ahead and get some on your brush and put it right into the scratch. Now I'm just going to blend it in by taking my brush and swirling it around to help match the marbled look in the tile. Hiding the scratch instead of replacing the tile is very beneficial, especially if you don't have a tile to replace it with, whether you bought the house and they didn't leave any extras. There are ways to go ahead and hide that scratch so you don't notice it. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.